Hello, I wanted to share with you today some unusual products here that you might not know are out there. This is a really cool one. This is diced, chopped, dried jalapeno peppers. And I'll tell you, wow, from over here, from a couple feet away. What's so nice about these is the fact that when you're cooking something, making a soup, or a salsa, or a stew, or whatever it is, wow, they're ready to go. You don't have to touch them. You're not going to burn your mouth, your fingers, your privates, or anything else because, hey, you don't have to touch them. You just pour them out of the jar and into your food they go. Ready to go. They're packed in an airtight jar, and I like them. I use them all the time too. Great stuff. You just pick up a couple and put them in your recipe and you're good to go. So I like them a lot. You should try them and know they're out there. It's nice to have them in your cabinet. Even if you eat fresh jalapenos, you can't always get them, or they don't look so good. These are beautiful, perfectly harvested in season, chopped up and dried, ready to go. They're in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com.